The extremist group in Afghanistan has yet again taken another measure in its severe crackdown on women's rights. According to reports, the Taliban in Afghanistan has banned girls over the age of 10 from attending school in some provinces of the country. Sources said to the BBC that the officials from Taliban-ruled Ministry of Education in the province of Ghazni have informed the heads of schools and short-term training programs that girls over 10 years old are not allowed to study in primary schools. The report also noted that in some regions, the Ministry for Preaching and Guidance, previously known as Women's Affairs Ministry, requested the heads of girls' schools to send home any female students who were studying beyond 3rd grade. In December last year, Taliban officials announced a ban on women from educational institutions, and it drew widespread condemnation from foreign governments and the United Nations. Minister for Higher Education, Neda Mohammad Nadeem, issued a letter to all government and private universities last year. In the letter, he said, and I quote, "You all are informed to immediately implement the mentioned order of suspending education of females under further notice." The Taliban enforced the restriction, claiming that female students disregarded a stringent dress code and a necessity to be accompanied to and from university campuses by a male relative. However, as per reports, the majority of colleges and universities had already implemented gender-specific entrances, classrooms, and policies permitting only older men or women professors to teach female students. The education ban is one of many restrictions placed on women since the Taliban regime retook control in August of 2021. Women in the country have also been banned from going to parks, gyms, fairs, salons, and must cover themselves in public. Many have also been removed from their government jobs.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.